She found me standing in the rain, afraid to breathe. My trembling hands had nowhere warm to leave. She touched my cheek, and all the storms grew still, as if her heartbeat whispered, stay, you always will. I didn't know that broken hearts could bloom again, until her lips wrote sunlight on my skin. And she's kissing me through the rain light, like I'm the only truth she's ever known. Her hands pull me into daylight, where every drop feels gentle on my bones. Her love is quiet, soft and brave, a vow that time can't wash away. She's kissing me through the rain light, and I finally know I'm safe. She reads the sadness I don't dare to speak aloud. Her touch becomes the shelter I can't live without. The world can break, but she will hold me close, and in her arms I feel the parts I lost the most. She gathers every fear I've tried to hide, and melts them with a kiss along my spine. And she's kissing me through the rain light, like I'm the only truth she's ever known. Her hands pull me into daylight, where every drop feels gentle on my bones. Her love is quiet, soft and brave, a vow that time can't wash away. She's kissing me through the rain light, and I finally know I'm safe. If every darkness settles deep within my chest, she'll trace the ache and kiss it into rest. Her breath becomes the place my soul belongs, a lullaby between two fragile, fearless palms. And she's kissing me through the rain light, through every fear I couldn't name. Her heart becomes my guiding light, my ember in the pouring rain. Her love is something wild and true, a world we brought in shades of blue. She's kissing me through the rain light, and all I want is you.